Hi, Year 9. Okay, it's time to start writing your essay now. So you should have your planner pretty much all completed. Just going to go through a brief explanation of how to put everything together now from your planner into your essay. So on the screen, you'll see that I've got the example planner that I put on Compass for you. And it's on a different essay topic, okay, so not the same topic as yours. So I want to show you how that goes into the introduction for your essay. So on your planner, you've got your introduction, title, author, and context. All right, so let's have a look now. Going over to the example essay, you can see how that's gone into the example essay. So the first two sentences of the essay includes the title of the novel, the author's name. Actually, does it have the author's name? No, it doesn't. Miss Bennett has forgotten to put the author's name. Oh, she's written it down further. Okay, so I would normally put the author's name in the first couple of sentences of your essay. So um, the red part, the first two sentences, also describes the context of the novel. Okay, so remember in your planner you had to write some context words. That's to describe the context of the novel. So a very brief rundown on what the novel is about. So Freedom Ride is set in the fictional rural town of Walgary during the 1960s. The story explores the racism faced by local Aborigines and how difficult it is for individuals to stand up against those in power. Okay, so the first two sentences there describes the context, so where and when the story happened, and just roughly a little bit about what it was about, racism faced by local Aborigines. All right. This blue part here is the contention. So the novel written by Sue Lawson shows that it is very hard to stand up to those in power, but it is possible. Okay, so that's the contention for this essay. Then the bits in green is your three main arguments. So you'll see on your planner, if we just go back, you had idea 1, idea 2, and idea 3. They make up the next part of your paragraph. All right, next part of your introduction. So your three main ideas here, and then a finishing off sentence for the introduction, which just reinforces your contention or discusses the author's message in relation to the essay topic. Okay, so that's the introduction. That's pretty straightforward. Now the body paragraphs. We're just going to have a quick look at that, and I'm going to explain how you're going to put that together. So I'm just going to go down here to the example planner, so you can see how the body paragraph's been planned here. Similar to your planner, got the topic sentence, example idea, evidence, quotes, and then your analysis over here. All right, so basically when you put this together into a paragraph, body paragraph, you start with your topic sentence, then you start with, then next comes your idea, and then the evidence to support the idea, and then the analysis. Okay, and then you'll have a linking word to join up your next idea. All right, so you're working from top to bottom and left to right and putting it in that order. All right, so if we go and have a look on the example essay, you'll see the red sentence there. Lawson shows that it's very difficult to stand up to older family members. That's the topic sentence. Okay, so that's the focus of what the paragraph's going to be about. All this part here in blue is your first idea and example. Okay, And then the green part is the second idea, example, and quotes. All right. The bits here that are highlighted in blue is the analysis. All right. So you see you've got topic sentence, your idea, example, quote, and your analysis. And then second idea, including a quote and your analysis. And then your linking sentence at the bottom. All right, so linking the ideas in your paragraph, linking them back to the essay topic. Okay, so that's basically how you need to go about structuring the body paragraphs. Remember to embed the quotes. Okay, I'm a little bit concerned that some of you haven't done those quotes exercises that were on OneNote. It shows you how to embed quotes. So remember, embedding quotes is putting the quote into a sentence, so making it part of a sentence. So as an example here, at dinner time, when his nan refers to the Aboriginal people as dirty, uncivilized troublemakers, Robbie isn't strong enough to tell her how much he thinks she is wrong. Okay, so that quote there has been made part of a sentence. All right, so that's what we want you to aim for when you're putting quotes in, is to try to put them into a sentence so that you can't really tell where the quote starts or finishes, because it all flows as a sentence. All right, so this example essay will be useful for you just to see how Miss Bennett has structured her essay here and how she's used quotes. So you can refer to that, but remember it's a different topic, okay? You're not writing on this topic of power, you're writing about the outsiders in the novel and how they try to change the town. Also, don't forget on your planner, there are some sentence starters that might be helpful for you with writing your essay. So introductions and body paragraph, topic sentence, these might be helpful for you to know how to start the sentence, topic sentence. Sentence starters to introduce evidence. And then you have sentence starters for analysis and the author's message and purpose. And then for your linking sentence at the end of your paragraph or for your conclusion. All right, so if you're stuck, have a look at the sentence starters and see if there's any there that you could use. All right, if you're stuck to know what to write. Also, there's linking words too here to help you join your ideas together. So remember, this column here are words that help to join your ideas together. These words here are only to be used if you're talking about, if you're contrasting between two different ideas. Okay, I think that's about all I need to explain. Make sure you've got about 3 periods to write your essay, so make sure you use those periods well and do the best job you can. And if you are stuck or need help, then you only need to get onto Teams and type in the chat and I'll respond to you. Okay, good luck writing your essay.